Today, we're going to talk about rights and obligation of an employee. But what is a right for an employee? Right is a set of norms and principles with which a given society chooses to govern its social life to try to achieve the ideal of justice, order, and equality. What is obligation? Obligation is the legal bond that compels or constrains you to pay something to someone else with either a specific rule. We can say that is the link established between two people or group of people, by which one of them can demand from the other the delivery of something or the fulfillment of a service or an attention. According to Article 37 of the Constitution of El Salvador, the work is a social function, enjoys the protection of the state, and it is not considered an article of commerce. One right of the employee is, in a same business or establishment in identical circumstances, to equal work must correspond equal remuneration for the worker without regards for sex, race, creed, or nationality. Also, every worker has the right to earn a minimum salary, which shall be set periodically. To set this salary, attention will be given to the cost of living, the type of work, the different system of remuneration, the distinct zone of production, and to other similar criteria. Also, inequality determined by the law are unattachable and cannot be compensated or retained except for food obligation. The amounts for social security, union or tax obligation may also be retained. The implements of labor or the worker are unattachable. The salary must be paid in current legal currency. In our country is dollar.
For 8 years of work, the law will establish the firm in which is working will be determined in relation to salary. According to law about the rights of employees, the workers will receive and that premium for each years of work. In Salvador, is optional for the employers. If the company decided to give X years, then number 6, talk about the working, how much time the worker should work. For example, there's an work day or jornada of a 50-day time will not exceed 8 hours in the work week, will not exceed 44 hours. In Salvador, it's common now. The company have this rule about work 8 hours for the work day. But the law said about some type of work, for example, are fulfilling a dangerous and unhealthy task that includes this work, it will be inferior during that time and will be regulated in the law. It said that the limitation of work hours will not apply in the case of forced measures. In this case, the hours should be 6 hours, not 8 hours, because it is special case. In this case, and a dangerous and unhealthy task included. The number 7. Talk about the free date or the rest date. In Salvador, it's controversial because some companies doesn't want duties or include it in this rule or accomplish or omit that that's allowed because the law said it will be removed from the record each work week and the first requirement allowed. The worker who doesn't enjoy the rest of the previously indicated will have the right to extraordinary remuneration for the service rendered on those days and the compensatory labor. So, it is important point causing in El Salvador some companies doesn't respect that law. The number 8 is really the number 7 because it talk about our workers and we have right to remember rest on a holiday. In Salvador, many companies and even reserves in states in special states. But the law said that are designed with the law to determine the type of work for which these conditions will not apply. But in such case, the workers will have the right to an extraordinary remuneration. Some do not apply to the conditional for which this conditional will not apply. But in such case, the worker will have the right of extraordinary remuneration. And the law said the workers will have the right to remunerate the rest of their holiday, but it's optional according to law. The decision is to work is not obligated to work this day. But if he is going to work this day, the workers will have the right of return to rest or extraordinary remuneration. Okay, number 9 is regarding the vacation or annual paid vacation. Every worker got a credit. I think the provision to survive within a given period will have the right to an unpaid vacation the first and then by the law. Vacation will not even for a person over 8 years of age for women. The employer who discharges a worker without just cause is obligated to indemnify him in accordance with the law. Obligation to perform his/her work duties in good faith. Observe labor discipline, not to damage the employer's comply with the requirements of labor protection rules and fire safety rules, not to disclose the trusted information that constitutes an official, commercial, or other secret protected by law. Report situations that jeopardize human life and health and the security of the property of the employer and employee. Be reasonably competent. How the skilled client. Be honest, punctual, and loyal. Perform the work agreed to. Owe a fiduciary duty if manager or KM. This is our presentation by Flor Martinez, Lydia Herrera, Vilma Lopez. Thank you for watching.